To ensure a fixed sampling rate, the code repository setting for startup.cs has to be set. The retention setting of a project release can be updated to reduce the disk space used by older packages. Azure container instances support a liveness probe so that you can configure your containers to restart if critical functionality is not working. A readiness probe lets you query a database before the application serves traffic to it. You can authenticate Azure boards to GitHub using Azure AD or GitHub user creds. To deploy charts using that's title on AKS, you have to create the kubectl Helm init, then Helm install. Helm can only be deployed after _health. Create a service principal in AD, then configure RBAC roles in the cluster. Lastly, add a HEML package and deploy a task to the pipeline using Azure Devops. Azure Monitor supports KQL. Azure Dashboards contains burndowns for remaining work. Cycle time is the time to complete items once active, and lead time is the time from create to complete. Velocity displays what was planned versus delivered. Release pipeline overview shows the status of environments in a definition, and query tiles display the total number of results from a query. Black Duck helps you mitigate open source security, license, compliance, and code quality issues. White Source Bolt is also another option. White Source allows you to look for license violations and prohibited libraries as well. White Source can be set up with npm install 44 production to scan only production directories, and dependencies are usually stored in node_modules. Another option is Veracode. White Source can have a dev dependencies section T only scan explicitly defined libraries. White Source can be utilized with a build task. Git GC aggressive cleans up unnecessary files and optimizes the local repo, and Git prune expire now removes all unreachable objects from the database. Git rebase and Git filter branch let you delete files you want to remove from the history form of a repo. Git restore source allows you to restore from the tree by naming a commit, branch, or tag. Git submodule add allows you to add a repo as a subfolder. Git reflag expire unreachable equals now all. Git gc prune equals now. To clone a folder in a repo, you can scalar clone git at ssh.dev.azure.com/.repo. cd_src folder. Git spare checkout set repo 1 src.